guys, so here we are ready for the judgment. I'm going here with my sister. She have all the access. Okay, the door is locked. So yeah, I'll continue once I reach there. Hope this is what I'm wearing. Same what I was wearing for the other day for the shoot. So let's go there and continue. Content. Okay. Others have to push them off, no?
Again, call me back.
Who is this guy? From MBA guy.
MBA? Why do you call
He
it
looks like he's a part of some prestige institute.
Today we have a content creation consent form for the first time ever. So nobody this again.
What made you?
There's so many people. After the video really goes well, they'll be like, hey, take it on, please, please. My family has problem with that.
Which your video?
Yeah, in my video I include people. No, when I walks from and they'll be like, hey, they pull. My family like purgotta and girlfriend not to get
Blur
that.
your face, no. You'll get
After
more reach.
uploading.
Oh, that is okay. So that is why this is.
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Okay. People, for future reference, if you want such forms, there is all the detail for you. You probably need the one who can ride a scooty. Who does? She almost killed you though. I guess she almost killed you. I felt it in the live. You're like, take right. This is not right. Either you forgot the directions or she doesn't know to ride.
I don't know to ride. I honestly don't know.
Are you a minor? No, right? You have a license.
Right off. But you'll never know when you see the video.
That is what happened. No, like editing mein samal lega kind of thing.
No, editing.
I mean, from far.
it view.
Yeah, guys. The expectation, the reality.
It's called Jugaad, bro.
Yeah.
The word Jugaad.
Okay. The pretty eyes, dude. The first time I see your eyes are so pretty.
Thanks. Say
Yeah,
the one who
only
has
because of your eyes,
gorgeous eyes. You the one who has gorgeous eyes. You. I told you once. Your aankheं is something like dubki maar ke aa jao mere se.
Out here, what are we missing out here?
I don't know. They ordered specifically on two separate sheets. Like, what's the difference in that and two separate sheets?
Can you please tell me what's the difference? I really want to know. Even I'm confused.
No, this is. He said he can use this later on if in case this is extra. This is not required. This is only for today's event.
Oh, who said? Pratvik said. So probably he said it wrong. If he's coming out from Pratvik's mouth, you know, something he might. This guy. How is the light happening?
Go back.
Can you do it again?
Do it again.
Moksha, do it again. Okay, Moksha, ouch. Pratvik, you do it again. Now I want to see the light thing.
It's not on, I guess.
Okay, can you please?
You use it again?
Now you try.
Well done.
Why is it? Two chairs.
One for me, one for you.
This is Sanman Puraskar thing and it's happening.
That is in the middle of the video. When you get angry and you get up and go, no, you're like, nice, chute ki bol rahe. Run.
I don't know what's happening here.
This is the only
Being a
event
part of it.
You can do anything you want. I mean, not in that level, but
I won't do anything in that level after what happened with Samay.
ain't risking, bro.
Ain't risking anything because I haven't reached that level of fame. No, I don't have so much of money like he does. It's okay for him to get banned, not me.
Then this.
That is for you to do interview later on.
Then where's your chair? Where's the table for you guys? Then why two tables here?
You don't. Is that your concern again, Moksha? Out of everything, your concern is why there's no table. You're always getting excited for the wrong thing. Always.
I
Always.
just said that time.
Yeah, right?
I was like, you don't know the priorities.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Meaning?
Meaning you have to clear it out before she bursts out.
She doesn't know. She thinks of the table other than other things. What should be there?
Exactly. I mean, your priorities are good. I mean, your concern right now is not valid. You're pretty, dude. I said it always. Not the first time. But I'm just scared where are the participants? Is it just me and Pratik sitting and pressing the buzzer for no reason? For people will be like, why am I not showing my face? There's nothing special to show. I'm just waiting for the event to get started. Did you convince them
Yeah, she said I'll ask and like.
to dance?
She was like, why not?
What's happening with you people? You had good standard with the event before.
Then we had overconfidence. Arpit aisa maar lega.
Yeah, I had the mics. So I think it's better than when I talk, things, get landed well. But are they going to dance now?
Yeah, probably.
For what? Simply to waste some time? Success.
Hi.
Hey, hello. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
College?
I'm Lakshin. We had a flash mob. We were promoting our.
I have no idea whether it will be audible because of music.
It's okay.
But I'm
Whatever
down.
it is,
But I'm
I'm
down.
a huge fan.
Okay, thank you
Thank you so much.
Are you going to dance again?
Yeah, probably, but we're deciding it. Probably
Please
we'll
do,
decide.
please do,
Yes,
because
yes.
I missed your flash mob. I wanted to see, but I came up late. So please go for it. You always call me as a judge and ends up making me the MC.
I can't help it because there's only one best MC in the world I know so far.
That's too much.
All in all,
That's too much. She's too jealous, dude. Why is she even a part of this?
Meanwhile,
I got the virginless mic.
Virgin, long lost Virgin Island. The fresh piece. I hope no one is seeing. What happening? The cameraman can hear us, so baby boy, do something sexy. A form and fill it. And you have it in your WhatsApp.
These are pre-registered.
Pre-registered, you can't give them form when they come here. Are they illiterate? They can't write it in a paper.
Looks like it just speaks in.
You are planning to come forward. Say hi to the vlog. Okay. You both in the black. You both, yeah, they didn't know you wore black. Yeah, now you know. Say hi. Both, hey, hi. That's so sweet. I thought the guy was not getting enough respect, so I thought I'd zoom in on him. But he's amazing. So, yeah, how was it? Where is the thumbs up now? How was it? Done with the event, Okay. You winded up the event. They're packing all the stuffs.
You know, there's a secret about him that he wears bras.
Bras. Who said you that?
I don't know.
How do you know that?
See, I saw him like adjusting it like that.
Yeah, it was too tight, to hold it up. So probably that is why. Fucking. Bye bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, JK. Thank you so much.
Bye, Rakshit. Bye. Bye. Peace. They're done with dinner. Yeah, so we took some parcel because this is my favorite place to have food in the city center. It's Danish to try. There's some amazing food. And we took some bamboo biryani for mom because I wanted to make a try the last time, but we couldn't. Bro, bye bye. So I just like making new friends maybe. So yeah, we're done. Now probably heading home. Yeah, it was a good day. Kind of tired. So some of the participants were kind of boring. I mean, it's okay. I can't complain, but yeah, Let's see what exciting content we get next. Here. Of course I did. Yes. No. This weekend and city center is pretty empty today. Weird. There's supposed to be a lot of crowd, but unfortunately we have less crowd today. But yeah. Oh, we have vending machines. But we don't have anything to shop. We're just window shopping. All right, I'm bored.